Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT does come equipped with the Sport Appearance Pack. It is the 301A package. It includes the molded running boards here on the side, remote entry keypad. You do have heated power mirrors with blind spot, power seat, manual seat to go backwards for you on the driver's side, and the passenger seat is fully manual. You do have your power mirrors over here, adjustable foot pedals, and interior lighting controls. Go ahead and start it up for you. It is just a key. Now your dashboard here, you do have your trip odometers, your auto start stop, compass, fuel history, etc. Towing off-road status. On the steering wheel, you do have your cruise control on the left here, and on the right is hands-free calling and your Sync 3 media controls. On the Sync 3 screen, you do have audio with Sirius XM, phone, various applications such as Ford Pass and Ford Connect, and your settings. 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Your climate controls, just over here. Center console consists of your gear shifter with 2 cup holders. You do have a spot down here too with lighting and 2 USB ports. Around to the back, you've got your Sport 4x4 badge here, your rear tailgate that is painted to color match the truck, with your rear view camera just on the handle here, your truck bed with a built-in box liner, various areas for clamps, etc. Into the back seat now. You do have a grab handle to get up. Center console consists of a 12-volt outlet, 2 USB ports, and a household port, 2 cup holders there. Your seats are just made of cloth. No center console on this one here. Hooks on the top there for clothing. Lots of spacious room in the back of this F-150. And then coming around back to the front, you get your front painted bumper as well to match the rest of the truck. LED headlights, tail lights are LED, fog lights as well. Metallic gray center grille. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today to talk to the sales advisor about getting you into this F-150.